Welcome to Stacy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do stuffed fish. Now there's tons of way how to do stuffed fish, but I'm going to show you how to stuff fish my way. You ready? Let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, I have my fish prepped already. I have all my season and I already went ahead and prepped them off camera. So I'm going to add them to my dish to mix them up to prepare it for the stuffing. Okay, right here I have scallion. I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my plate. Here I have onions, and as you can see they're diced fine, and if you could dice them finer that's even better, but this is fine. So I'm going to just add all that together. Here I have my sweet pepper. Now you could use any kind of sweet pepper, red, yellow, or green, it doesn't matter. I normally use green, but today I don't have any green. And here you have your pepper. Alright, we're just going to add that. And over here we have some crushed garlic. Alright. So I'm going to just give you a closer look of what's in my bowl. Okay, so in my bowl I have everything mixed in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of butter. Alright. Then I'm going to use my noodles. I normally use fish noodles, but I've run out, so I have cup noodles, so I'm going to use both of them. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of season. Just a little bit, not too much, because with the noodles it already have season in it already. But me personally, I like to just add a little bit more. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and mix all this goodness together. I wish you could smell what this smells like. It smells good. Now you want it to have like a pasty look. So if you don't reach a pasty look, what you could do is add some more butter. Make sure you want to mix that up really well. You want to blend everything together. Alright, so this is giving me the pasty look that I want, which is perfect. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put this to the side, and I'm going to start stuffing my fish. Alright, here I have 2 lovely snapper, and I'm going to go ahead and season them. And I'm going to add some salt. And some black pepper. And I also went ahead and I slit right here because I'm also going to be stuffing it. So I want to go ahead and add some black pepper in there as well. I'm going to add some salt. Alright, do the next for the same fish. Alright, some salt. Alright, and same thing right here that I split the back. Now we're going to go ahead and stuff our fish. Alright, so now we're just going to stuff all this goodness up in it. Alright. Alright. Then we're going to stuff the back where I put the cut. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing for the next fish. Stuff up that baby. Stuff it up. This season smells so good. Alright. So we're gonna just put a little bit of seasoning on top and just rub it in. Massage your fish. Rub it up in it. Alright, so now your fish is stuffed and ready to go into the file paper. Now I'm ready to put these baby into file paper. Alright. We're gonna lay them this way. And before we wrap this up, right here we have some carrot and okra. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just place that on top, on the side. It don't matter where you place it. Alright. Don't that look delicious? Alright, so before I close it up, I like to add a little bit more of all-purpose. Just on top. Go ahead and close this bad boy up for the oven. Alright, one fish down. Alright. See your stuffing off all out. Just push it back in. Alright. So I'm gonna add all of this goodness on top of it. On the side, on the corner, round the back, everywhere you can think of it. Alright. A bit more all-purpose on this one. So now we have our two fish ready to go in the oven. So I have my oven preheat and I'm going to put it in at 365 and I'm going to leave it in the oven for 35 minutes. Okay? When it is finished, I'll come back and I'll show you the finishing touch. Okay? Hey y'all, what's up? So now my fish is ready. It smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. So you know how I season my fish. I stuff my fish and I have my okra, my carrots, and you know you have to have some tough crackers up in it, right? Alright, so let me go ahead and taste this. You see that? That is all the season that I seasoned with inside. Oh, it's glorious. Lord of mercy. That's some good shit right there. Yes. Anyway, I'm not gonna take too much of your time and talk long because I want to dig in and eat this real quick. That is all I have for you tonight. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. If you try any of my recipe, I would love to see pictures. So go ahead and post some pictures so I can see. I also would like to hear what you would like to see me cook next. Until next time, bye!